petitioners in the Gyanvapi case feel they are closer to worshipping their Mahadev. Amid the Shivling versus Wuzu Khana debate today, the Allahabad High Court set aside a lower court verdict and ordered a scientific survey of the Shivling type structure found in the Gyanvapi mosque complex. Remember, this was opposed by the other side, the Muslim side, earlier, saying that an archaeological survey is unacceptable. The Hindu side today claims it's nothing but another victory for Astha. Listen in.
वैज्ञानिक पद्धति से महादेव जी जो हम लोग को मिले हैं उनकी जांच हो, क्योंकि बार बार हम लोग का मजाक बनाया जा रहा था, हम लोग को हाथ किया जा रहा था, मुस्लिम पक्ष से उसे फव्वारा बोला जा रहा था, जो कि वहाँ पे कोई फव्वारा का कोई भी अवशेष नहीं है। वो पूरी अवशेष वहाँ पे मंदिर की है, वहाँ शिवलिंग की है। तो अब जब ये जांच होगी तो दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी हो जाएगा। सर्वे होगा, जांच होगी और वो भी बिना कोई क्षति पहुंचाए। तो जो हम लोग कह रहे थे कि वो शिवलिंग है, तो वो सबके सामने आ जाएगा, वो पुख्ता सबूत मिल जाएगी कि हाँ वो शिवलिंग बहुत पुराना है, बहुत ज्यादा सालों का है।
But the decision has once again triggered a war of words. Muslim clerics claim that those rushing to court frequently are trying to mislead it and spread hatred in the society. Even in the past, politicians like Asaduddin Owaisi had said that Gyanvapi is a masjid and will always remain one. Listen in to the reaction of those critics.
देखिए, कोर्ट का जो भी फैसला है, हम कोर्ट के फैसले का सम्मान करते हैं, मगर मस्जिद के अंदर इस तरीके से जो फव्वारा है, वहाँ का फव्वारे को शिवलिंग कहना और इस तरीके से इश्यूज को उठाना मेरे ख्याल से बिल्कुल गलत है। जो लोग भी अदालत जा रहे हैं और अदालत का दरवाज़ा खटखटा रहे हैं, अदालत को गुमराह कर रहे हैं, इससे नफरतें बढ़ती हैं, इससे मोहब्बतें नहीं बढ़ती हैं। और जिस तरीके से एएसआई को आदेश दिया गया, ठीक है, एएसआई अपनी जांच करे, कोर्ट के आदेश का मैं सम्मान करता हूं और ज़रूर हो, मगर मैं बार बार उन लोगों से यह अपील कर रहा हूं कि जो लोग जाके अदालत का दरवाज़ा खटखटा रहे हैं और अदालत का दरवाज़ा खटखटा के नफरतों के बीच बो रहे हैं, बराए मेहरबानी हिंदुस्तान के अंदर नफरतों के बीच ना बोएं।
You're watching the News Hour at 9, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
And joining this debate, along with Dr. Anand Ranganathan, Tehseen Poonawala, are Professor Atikur Rahman, political analyst, Shantanu Gupta, author. But my first question goes to Mr. Vishnu Jain, advocate, who has been fighting this case all along. Vishnu Jain, अब तो ये सवाल उठाया जा रहा है कि why are petitioners going to court at all? They should not go to court. For everything there is a victim card. Whether it is Kerala story, it spreads hate. A petitioner going to court spreads hate. And in fact, they are now saying the petitioners are misleading the court. How do you see the verdict of the Allahabad High Court today?
See, the Allahabad High Court has given a very historical verdict, where our demand for scientific investigation of the Shivlingam, which was found on 16th of May, has been allowed. Remember, Navika, just 1 year back, during Advocate Commission proceedings, we had found the Shivling, and the next step which we took as a trial court lawyer was to get the scientific investigation of the entire sealed area. And the ASI has given a report before the Honorable Allahabad High Court, which runs into 52 pages, where they have suggested various methods that without even touching the Shivlingam, without even taking the particles of the Shivlingam, this dating exercise can be done. This dating exercise will not be just a dating exercise, it will be an excavation exercise. It will show that Argha of the Shivlingam is present there. ASI has gone on to record to say that this Shivlingam comes from beneath. It is at the cursory face value, it looks like that. So therefore a deep investigation and scientific investigation is required, and therefore on the basis of the report of the ASI, the Honorable Allahabad High Court has passed this order of scientific investigation, which is permitted by the CPC under Order 26, Rule 10A of the CPC. And the District Judge Varanasi's order of 14th October has been set aside. The Honorable Allahabad High Court has also directed the Council for the ASI to appear before the District Judge, and all the future modalities of the survey will be decided by the District Judge. Now the point is that there is no question of spreading any hate or any kind of wrong message. We are trying to achieve our goals through legal means. Whatever has been done in the past by various invaders, we have to get it restored in the constitutional era, in this in this era where the law prevails, in this era where the constitution and CPC prevails, and therefore we had filed a suit before the district judge Varanasi, and therefore today the Honorable Allahabad High Court has directed this scientific survey.
Well, Mr. Atikur Rahman, as Mr. Vishnu Jain says, there is only one way to do this, which is the legal recourse. Why are now fears being expressed that petitioners are creating or spreading hate through a petition in a court of law? And the court of law will decide what is the best course constitutionally allowed to those who want to follow, who have a certain issue about the faith that they hold. How can that be objected to?
Well, Navika ji, as a matter of fact, it was not the other side, that is Muslims, who had opposed the survey, scientific survey, but the other Hindu side who opposed it, as a matter of fact. This
Okay.
Mr. Jain should explain. Secondly, Mr. Jain and the bigoted Hindutvawadis present at that premises, they are not only misleading the courts, but they are intimidating the officials. That's the problem. Scientific survey is not a problem. Let the scientific, but why the scientific survey? I don't understand, Navika ji. When a very, very renowned historian, if I am not wrong, Javed, he has established that Aurangzeb Farman says we are placing our hopes from the court, since the courts are the guardians of the constitution, that 1991 Places of Worship Act is intact or not intact. And if it is intact, then why the survey? 15th August 1947, as it is, all places of worship are intact. If it is bigotry of the Aurangzeb, you want to rerun in this era, it's your choice. That's why I say not only misleading the courts, but intimidating the officials.
Well, Anand Ranganathan, why are they so worried? Why are they calling it intimidation? Are you intimidating, Anand, before I come to you, Vishnu Jain? Are you intimidating officials who go there, Mr. Vishnu Jain?
See,
I think the fact of the matter is that
Navika,
truth
not at all.
always
We are
intimidates those who are afraid of truth. That's the fact. No one else is intimidated. As the fearless Judge Falcone said, those who are not afraid of death die only once. So this is not about intimidation. But Navika, there are two issues here. First of all, I strongly object to this very objectionable language used for my good friend and brother, Mr. Vishnu Jain. If at all, 1.4 billion Hindus and our future generations owe a huge debt of gratitude to Mr. Vishnu Jain and to his father, Mr. Hari Jain, for protecting our civilization. This is what they should be. In any other civilized country, people should be worshipping them. They are right now fighting 115 cases for the Hindu civilizational cause. And here we are denigrating them. Shame on us. And number two, Navika, let's get back to the brass tacks. The destruction of Kashi Vishwanath has been dated exactly to 1669 by Aurangzeb. The half-demolished temple is right there before your eyes. Inside it, there are Hindu murals and deities. What more evidence do you want? I am afraid as a scientist I speak, carbon dating cannot help. Fact is, you can only conduct carbon dating on living organisms. The age of the rock, in this case the Shivling, cannot be determined by carbon dating but by beryllium dating or argon dating. Because rocks are hundreds of thousands of millions of years old. So if the rock out of which the Shivling is made of comes out to be 2 million years old, how would that help in us establishing anything? The age of the rock tells us nothing about the age of the Shivling or the fountain. Carbon dating will at best determine the age of dead bacteria or wood remnant in the rock crevice. But their age also isn't of any help. So as I said, the evidence has to be non-scientific, and there is all around this evidence. Let me explain very briefly, 30 seconds. One, it is beyond any doubt that Aurangzeb ordered the demolition of Kashi Vishwanath and ordered that the Gyan Vyapi mosque be built over it. It is written in the most authentic biography of Aurangzeb, for heaven's sake, Masir-e Alamgiri. that in 1669, on orders of Aurangzeb, Kashi Vishwanath was demolished. The Farman is also archived in Bikaner archives. And here is Sir Jadunath Sarkar's translation of Masir Al-Ghanim, page 52, quote, Aurangzeb, eager to establish Islam, issued orders to the governors of all provinces to demolish the schools and temples of the infidels, and with the utmost urgency put down the teachings and the public practice of the religion of their misbelievers, unquote.
Absolutely.
And yet, there are those who deny the Hindus their legitimate right to correct historical injustices. Shame on them.
Well, Tehseen Poonawalla, where do you stand? You know, to say petitioners are misleading
can I
courts,
respond?
people are intimidating, is that even fair?
But there is a misrepresentation. The Muslim side did not oppose a scientific test. That, for one, is a fact. So whether the scientific test works
No,
or
it's
not,
wrong. Navika, it's wrong.
Okay, Vishnu Jain is contesting your facts. So Vishnu Jain,
allow me to-
I'll come back to you.
Yeah.
Vishnu Jain is contesting that first fact.
Okay,
Vishnu
please.
Jain ji.
Please.
See, Navika, the Muslim side had filed an application, and the number of application is application number 262 GA, by which they had opposed this before the trial court, and they had
High Court.
specifically said that this is not a shivling, this is a fountain. And
That's
let
a
me
trial court.
just add to Mr. Anand Ranganathan, we are not. Trial court, before the trial
but
court
High
also they had
Court ने
objected,
gone ना
and
बाबा।
before the High Court also they had objected.
अरे
Tehseen
नहीं
bhai.
यार, बताओ डॉक्यूमेंट नंबर.
Before the High Court also they have objected.
अरे डॉक्यूमेंट नंबर बताओ. नहीं है.
Then before the High Court today, Mr. SFN
He is fighting the case. He knows better than you know
They
better.
said they are for the scientific test. They accepted the trial court order.
You know, he is the one standing in
there
court,
is
my
no
friend.
document.
You're contesting
There is
his
no
facts.
document
the lawyer.
because that's not happened. They said we want a scientific test.
Tehseen sitting in Delhi in our
अरे
studios,
मैम तो फिर आप मेरा
knows
opinion ले
more
रहे हो, तो आप
about
मेरे को बताओ।
who
उनके
is
पास
contesting
document है।
what.
सुनो,
They
उनके पास
object-
ट्रायल कोर्ट का डॉक्यूमेंट है, मैं मानता हूं, मैं अग्री कर रहा हूं, हाई कोर्ट का दिखा दे, वो बताइए नहीं है डॉक्यूमेंट,
विष्णु
बताइए
जैन,
document।
विष्णु जैन,
बताइए डॉक्यूमेंट।
हाई कोर्ट में आपके जो, अरे भैया सुन तो लीजिए।
अरे भाई आप
तहसीन
बोलिए
जी,
ना
मैं
सर,
ये कह रहा हूँ
भाई।
हाई कोर्ट में SFN नकवी जो मुस्लिम साइड के सीनियर काउंसिल है, उन्होंने इसको टूथ एंड नेल अपोज किया और उन्होंने कहा कि किसी भी तरह का कोई सर्वे नहीं होना चाहिए,
सर,
नहीं
who
होना
went to
चाहिए।
high
उनकी सारी
court?
बातें कोर्ट के ऑर्डर में
सर,
रिकॉर्डेड
कौन
थी,
गया हाई
पहले भी
कोर्ट?
रिकॉर्डेड
मुसलमान
थी।
पक्ष गया
अगर
क्या?
आप आई वेंट टू दी हाई कोर्ट,
Exactly.
I went to the High Court
सुनिए मैम।
because my petition was rejected by the district
सुनिए
of
मैम,
Varanasi. So
मैम सुनिए कौन गया हाई कोर्ट? अब देखिए, हो गया ना दूध का दूध पानी का पानी। आप गए और आप वो लोग अपोज कर रहे हैं।
अरे भाई
कीजिए ना सर,
let me explain
मेरे
to-
भाई आप कीजिए सर।
You know, Tehseen,
So
it's
yes,
simple.
yes,
In
it
the
was
high
opposed by
court,
the Anjuman
in the
Muslims
lower
before the High
court,
Court.
the Muslim side opposed, which is why they went to the high court. I mean, where is the problem here?
Muslim
Yes,
side is
left
saying
to
do
that
a scientific
even
survey.
So then
what I tell you what happened.
They
I'll
opposed
tell
before the High
you
Court
that those
also.
photographs that were leaked, for
And-
which that bureaucrat
and
was
Navita, let me
suspended,
tell you.
that is the issue. That is what the Muslims had opposed. Let's be clear. The photographs are supposed to
Now
be in
you
the
will
custody
say,
of the court.
now you will
leaked
say,
them and the bureaucrat was
next
exposed.
you will say
Ask-
Vishnu
ask-
Jain
completely
and
out of
Anand
the context.
Ranganathan cannot call it the shivling.
No, I think
because
they
it has
should.
not been
I
decided.
think
You cannot call
there
it the
should be a
shivling.
scientific
विष्णु
survey.
जैन जी, अब तो ये भी ऑब्जेक्शन होगा कि आप उसको शिवलिंग
नाविका,
क्यों
I
बना
think-
रहे हैं? आप यहाँ तो उसको डिस्प्यूटेड स्ट्रक्चर बुलाइए, आप ना शिवलिंग
नहीं,
नहीं
आप
बुला
बुलाइए,
सकते।
आपकी
अब ये
आस्था
भी
है, मैं
कहेंगे
आपकी आस्था का रिस्पेक्ट
नहीं,
करता हूं, लेकिन
मैं
मैं
यहाँ
आपसे
पे-
एक सवाल, विष्णु भाई सुनिए ना,
नाविका
एक
जी,
10
मैं
सेकंड,
यहाँ पे
विष्णु भाई,
पार्टी
10
को
सेकंड,
represent
विष्णु
कर
भाई,
रहा
10
हूँ।
सेकंड,
मेरा
10
ये
सेकंड,
मानना
10
है
सेकंड
कि
इजाजत
16
मांगता
मई
हूं आपसे।
2022 को वहाँ
विष्णु
पे
भाई,
शिवलिंग
10
लगा।
सेकंड।
allow
तो
him,
ये
just
कह रहे हैं
moving
फाउंटेन
thought, 1
है,
minute.
तो अगर मैं इसको ट्रायल कोर्ट में प्रूव नहीं करूंगा तो कैसे प्रूव करूंगा?
करेक्ट मेरे भाई, पर
Navika,
फोटोग्राफ
please
किसने
try
लीक
to
किया था?
understand the historical entire history.
मेरे
I think
भाई,
Mr.
वो
Tehseen ji has
फोटोग्राफ
not been
किसने
briefed
लीक किया?
correctly.
किसने
The point
बाइट
and the
इंडिया
fact
मीडिया
of the
को,
matter is
किसने
that
आकर
after
claims
the
किया
order of
कोर्ट
the
के सामने
Supreme Court
डांट
on
खाई?
20th of
कौन
May,
क्यों वो ब्यूरोक्रेट
we went
सस्पेंड
to
हुआ
the
सर?
district judge
आप उसका
Varanasi.
जवाब
We
दीजिए
filed
ना
an
सर।
application under order 26 rule 10A. The
सर,
district
मैं
judge
आपकी
Varanasi
सारी बात
rejected our
मानता हूं, आपकी
application.
आस्था
While
को
hearing the
मैं
matter,
सर
district
झुकाता
judge
हूं। मैं ये
Varanasi
कह रहा हूं कि
heard the
लीगल
arguments of
प्रोसीजर है।
Anjuman
किसने
Intizamiya.
फोटोग्राफ लीक
Anjuman
किया?
Intizamiya
कौन
said
आकर बाइट
that
दिया?
no
Why was the
scientific survey
bureaucrat
should be
suspended?
allowed
Why
because
was
this
the
is not a
report
shivling,
leaked?
this is a
Let's
fountain.
discuss those
Against
issues.
that order, we went to the High Court. High Court today allowed our petition, and before the High Court
Congratulations,
also
I think this
Anjuman
should come to an
Intizamiya
end.
opposed it threadbare. And Navika, let me tell you also that Mr. Ranganathan, with due respect to him, he's a scientist also, but let me also tell him that we are not trying to do something which will be harmful to the case. We are trying to ascertain the fact that it's a Shivlingam through scientific method, IIT Roorkee, IIT Kanpur, BSIP Lucknow, and other scientists also who are into various renowned aspects, they have given an opinion that they have non-destructive methods by which the age, dating, nature, length and breadth of the Shivlingam can be ascertained. Let me tell you, Navika, that we have found this Shivlingam on the first floor of so-called mosque. अभी शिवलिंग का अर्घा मिलना बाकी है और एएसआई ने अपनी रिपोर्ट में कहा है प्राइमा फेसाई कि प्राइमा फेसाई देखने से लगता है कि ये शिवलिंग लाखों साल पुराना है.
Okay.
विष्णु भाई, honestly, lot of respect for you.
तो नाविका, मैं ये बात कहना चाहता हूँ, एएसआई ने अपनी रिपोर्ट में कहा है
बहुमत की सरकार है, हटा दीजिए ना वो एक्ट. कौन मना कर रहा है सर? अगर आपकी आस्था है हर मुसलमान के नाम.
He is talking about a legal situation. You have a problem with the Places of Worship Act. You go to court. You go to court.
पार्लियामेंट हटा दीजिए अपने विजडम.
Anand Ranganathan,
की सरकार.
1 minute. That is not Vishnu Jain's problem. That is not Vishnu Jain's problem.
हटाइए.
That is not Vishnu Jain's problem. Anand Ranganathan.
मेरे भाई एक्ट हटाइए. आई एम सेइंग दिस एक्ट शुड नॉट बी देयर. प्लीज मूव द एक्ट.
अरे मैं क्यों हटाऊं जब ऑलरेडी डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज महोदय इस केस में होल्ड कर चुके हैं.
अरे सर, पार्लियामेंट के पास अथॉरिटी है, बहुमत की सरकार है. हटाइए एक्ट. हटाइए एक्ट.
Why are you telling Vishnu Jain that? No, why are you telling Vishnu Jain that? Why don't you just calm down?
Exposing the hypocrisy
why
of the
don't you
BJP.
just calm down? There is no BJP here, so ask that question.
Shantanu Bhai was BJP.
I'll get in Shantanu Bhai, but Anand Ranganathan making a point, and then I'll get in Shantanu ji.
Navika, Mia Kalpa, it's all my fault, I'm telling you, because I just 30 minutes ago, I praised Tehseen Poonawala sky high.
हाँ.
सारी गलती इसी में है. चढ़ गए, ऊपर चढ़ गए. Tehseen, you are the kind of person who would argue even with Tulsidas about Ramayana.
No.
भाई ये विष्णु जैन है, he is fighting a case.
As
इनको
proved
नहीं
correct.
पता होगा तो किसको पता होगा?
अरे as
And he's
proved correct, he
absolutely
went to
right.
court.
The Muslims, now, Tehseen, please don't do.
नहीं,
Please
ऐसे
don't.
नहीं. मैंने सही बताया.
नहीं.
एक भी फैक्ट बताओ गलत है. POW सरकार हटा सकती है, नहीं हटा सकती? वहां पर पूजा के लिए डीएम की परमिशन आवश्यकता है या
आपकी
नहीं?
सरकार ला सकती है.
अरे ये
आप ले आए.
नहीं होता
अब
है.
आप चुप बैठिए
नाविका,
और आनंद रंगनाथन को बोलने दीजिए.
आई थिंक, बोलिए आनंद भाई.
जी.
हाँ, please, Tehseen, you are a lawyer, right? Last I know, and you are a very good lawyer. Can you deny any Indian his or her legal right to correct historical injustice? He is not going to demolish the Gyan Vyapi mosque.
Correct.
All he is doing is going to the court.
Correct.
Now, which democracy you can object to this, yaar? Kya
I'm
bol rahe ho
not
aap?
objecting to it. I'm saying it's good. I'm going one step further. I'm saying move the POW Act. And I'm saying allow them puja by allowing the DM permission. Why aren't you supporting me in that?
गुप्ता, इनको इतना डर क्यों लग रहा है? कभी POW Act, कभी Muslim side, Hindu side. भाई, the matter is in court. Court has today given a limited verdict which says that we'll go ahead with the scientific.
Correct.
Why are you running helter-skelter is the question I want to ask Shantanu Gupta. Why do you think they're so upset tonight?
Navika, why people are upset and why they are running helter-skelter? Because in 2003, when the Allahabad High Court ordered the ASI survey, ISI excavation in the Ayodhya site, we saw the exactly similar statement कि ये नहीं होना चाहिए, तो यही होना चाहिए, POW, they quoted everything possible under the earth, right? So I think this is the same. They hate scientific inquiry. They are against scientific inquiry because scientific inquiry will reveal the truth. And along with the historical text with Anand Ranganathan and quoting, and I'm holding a book by Francis Gauthier. इसमें सारे औरंगजेब के जितने भी फतवे वो हैं, and the fatwa number on page number 88, Masre Alim says that on the order of Emperor Aurangzeb, the Kashi Vishwanath temple was demolished and the mosque is standing there, right? The fatwa is also there in Persian and Arabic. 2 pages of fatwa is also there. Thanks to Francis Gauthier, he is all the iconoclasts that Aurangzeb has done is beautifully documented. I'm sure Vishnu Jain ji has already produced such a document in the court. I think any scientific inquiry and Ayodhya, ASI, historical, all proven, all came handy to the lawyers. So I think that's why their problem that finally
Atikur Rahman, my question to you is there a problem with the scientific survey, or is it because the ASI came in, because there were scientific surveys even in Ayodhya, that suddenly everybody is up in arms?
Mr. Shantanu Gupta, that's the whole point. Why are we arguing the
scientific
matter?
service, no scientific
Historian
service.
Irfan
That's the
Habib has
point.
established
No
the
high
fact
scientific survey
that
should happen.
Aurangzeb had demolished it. The only hurdle for you is the Places of Worship Act, which the government can immediately bring in the parliament, bring a constitutional change.
Okay, so you're
Why are
agreeing.
you
So
wasting
Vishnu
the time of
Jain,
the court?
so Vishnu
Why are
Jain,
you
Atikur
wasting
Rahman,
the
Tehseen,
time?
everybody agrees
You
कि
are
वो जो
wasting
स्ट्रक्चर है
time.
जिसको आप शिवलिंग कहते हैं, ये फवारा कहते हैं, वो एक्चुअली वही है जो आप मान रहे हैं, वहां मंदिर ही था, लेकिन प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट जो कांग्रेस की गवर्नमेंट लाई थी, दैट इज द अम्ब्रेला दैट इज देयर. सो प्लीज एड्रेस द प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट. आई एम कंप्लीटली आउट ऑफ टाइम. लास्ट वर्ड टू यू विष्णु जैन जी, 30 seconds. What do you think?
नाविका जी, आई जस्ट वांट टू से कि इस तरह के केसेस में आर्कियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. राम मंदिर के केस में भी आर्कियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया की रिपोर्ट मील का पत्थर बनी थी. उसका फाइनल वर्डिक्ट होने में सिर्फ और सिर्फ हिस्टोरियंस को कोट करके कोई केस नहीं जीता जा सकता है. ऑन ग्राउंड फैक्चुअल पोजीशन भी जरूरी है. आर्कियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया ग्राउंड पेनिट्रेटिंग रेडार के जरिए, सॉइल स्ट्रेटिग्राफी के जरिए, एएमएस टेक्निक्स के जरिए और भी बहुत सारे माध्यम है जिससे एस्टेब्लिश करेगी कि ये पूरा स्ट्रक्चर कितना पुराना है और उसके नीचे क्या क्या चीजें मौजूद है. और आगे चल के मैं आपके चैनल के माध्यम से बताना चाहता हूं कि पूरे परिसर का आर्कियोलॉजिकल सर्वे का हम मांग करने जा रहे हैं और पूरे परिसर पे ऐसा ही होगा.
Well said. Well, that is the big breaking news. More demands of the entire premises going in for an archaeological survey of India, doing the survey of this whole and the entire area going in for scientific surveys. That's the next step that is being taken by the petitioners. Well, this opens up the whole debate once again. What will the court say? What will the scientific survey say? We'll wait for that to happen. But for the moment, huge development in the Gyanvapi case. For now, let's leave it at that. Thank you very much to all my panelists, and thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night, and we'll be back with Karnataka.